I'm going to present a seminar on ICT applications in food industry. First point, we'll see the importance of computerization in food industry. First we'll see the definition. The definition of computerization is a system that includes software, hardware, application software, operating system software, etc. IFT, that is Institute of Food Technology, has provided a strong endorsement for the use of computers in the food and science education. The minimum standards for degree in food science as suggested by IFT require the students to use computers in the solution of problems, the collection and analysis of data, the control of processes in addition to word processing. As there are various applications we can use. By using MS Excel, we can solve problems of food technology, perform mathematical calculations which are done very easily. It can display data as line graph, histogram and charts. By using MATLAB, we can analyze data, create models and applications. By using search engine including Google, we can effectively get lot of information. Now we are going to see different softwares where different companies used, such as SAP, Fastlane, VBoss, Just Food ERP, etc. With the help of these softwares, we can realize how computer is important in food industry. Software in the food field are numerous and can be classified depending upon the task they are going to perform or by the nature of industry in which they will be used. Now we'll see one by one food service software descriptions. First, Fastlane. Fastlane is a meal accountability point of service system that is generally used by elementary and alternative schools. In most cases, it is loaded on the laptop that the Fastlane user carries it to and from lunchroom to enter meals. Fastlane users do a data transfer via ComServe each morning. This imports the school students along with their meal status, whether the fees is free, reduced or paid, and account balance. After serving is finished and the day-end processes are complete, the Fastlane users does another data transform to send information to Central Fastlane at the food service office. Central Fastlane allows us to consolidate all sites serving information and translate the data into reports that can be used to claim reimbursement from the state of Kansas. Now the second important software is the Meal Tracker. Meal Tracker is the meal accountability point of service system that is generally used by middle and high schools. In most cases, it is loaded on the desktop in the cafeteria manager's office. When Meal Tracker is open, it automatically imports the school students along with their meal status, free, reduced or paid. Student meals are accounted for when their student ID is swept at the serving counter. After serving is finished, day-end processes are completed and the Meal Tracker is closed. At that time, Meal Tracker transforms serving data back to the Meal Tracker district POS in the food service office. Meal Tracker district POS allows us to consolidate all sites serving information and translate the data into reports that can be used to claim reimbursement from the state of Kansas. VBoss, this is one of the important software used. Cafeteria managers use VBoss to place their orders for food from the warehouse and the central production facility. This program is accessed through a remote desktop connection to the MIS FS1. VBoss uses a universal printer client, so if new printer is installed, it notifies food services to install in it. SAP, which is one of the important software. SAP stands for the System Analysis Program Development. SAP SE is a German and multinational software corporation that makes enterprise software to manage business operations and customer relations. It has its headquarters in Waldorf, Baden-Württemberg, Germany, with regional offices around the world. The company's best known software products are its enterprise resource planning application systems and the management. SAP ERP, its enterprise data warehouse product. SAP Business Warehouse, SAP BW. SAP Business Object Software, and most recently SAB's mobile products and the in-memory computing appliances SAP HANA. SAP is one of the largest software companies in the world. SAP products focus on enterprise resource planning (ERP). The company's main product is SAP ERP. The current version is SAP ERP 6.0 and is part of the SAP Business Suite. Its previous name was R3. The R of SAP R by 3 stood for real time. The number 3 related to the three-tier architecture. In the three-tier architecture, there comes database, application server, and the client. Before there was R2, which ran on the mainframe architecture, was the predecessor of R3. Before R2 came system, RF later dubbed R1. SAP ERP is one of the 5 enterprise applications in SAP Business Suites. The other 4 applications are Customer Relationship Management, Product Lifecycle Management, Supply Chain Management. First one we'll see Customer Relationship Management, CRM. Helps companies acquire and retain customers, gain marketing and customer insight. Second one, Product Lifecycle Management, PLM, helps manufacturer with product related information. Supply Chain Management, SCM, helps company with the process of resourcing its manufacturing and service processes. SAP Relationship Management, SRM, enables companies to procure from suppliers. SAP's CRM solution now have over 8 million users on its platform. SAP implementation is the whole of processes that define a complete method to implement the SAP ERP enterprise resource planning software in an organization. The SAP implementation method described in this entry is a generic method and not a specific implementation method as such. Next, Just Food ERP. Just Food ERP is an enterprise resource planning, that is ERP software product based on the Microsoft Dynamics NAV platform. This product is part of the certified for Microsoft Dynamics family and intended to assist with finance, manufacturing, distribution, customer relationship management, that is CRM, supply chains, analytics, and electronic commerce for small medium-sized enterprises, specifically for the food and the beverage industry. Just Food ERP floor features include: first one, receiving and put aways; second, shipping and picking; third one, inventory management; fourth one, bin replenishment; fifth one, quality audits; sixth one, production; seventh one, physical inventory. Just Food ERP systems incorporate a full breadth of functionality integrating all elements of your business, including sales, inventory, purchasing, planning and forecasting, manufacturing, warehouse management, shipping and quality management. Just Food ERP provides all this, but does so by focusing on the specific needs of food processors and distributors. It is powered by Microsoft Dynamics. Just Food ERP is instantly recognizable to your users because it's a Microsoft product. It also speaks to all the technology your company is using today, including Outlook, Excel, Word, and back-end tools like SQL Server and SharePoint. Thank you.